Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Before I get started, if you want to see more videos from me, just go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, go ahead and click the bell icon next to it. Today I want to talk about starting a business opportunity. And there's a lot of videos on YouTube about how to make money online. And lately I've been seeing, well, not lately, but it's been like over the past few months, I've seen videos talking about the 10 ways to make money online, or 11 ways you can make money using your phone, or something like that. And all these videos, the majority of people who make these videos, they're not actually doing what they're telling you to go out and do. You know, all they do is do some research on different ways to make money online where you can make a few bucks here and there, and then they make a video about it. I don't do that sort of thing. I stick with how to start your own online business through affiliate marketing and direct sales. And the problem I have with these videos is that they're only made in order to get like a lot of views and a lot of subscribers to their channel, and I want that too, but I'm not going to sit up here and make a bunch of videos about the 11 ways to make money online, and I'm not doing any of that stuff I'm telling you about. Okay, so if you really want to make money online, the best way to do it is to start a business. And these other videos talking about all these different ways to make money online, that's not starting a business. That's just doing some little side hustles, you know, where you can earn some spare change, you know, a few bucks an hour, you know, listening to audios or watching videos or doing transcription or something like that, or driving for Uber or Lyft. You know, those are things that you do on the side, you know, in order to supplement the income that you make from your job. What I'm talking about is starting a business, and you could start part-time. You can still have your full-time job. I still have my full-time job, and I do this part-time, okay? So here, what I have on the screen here is that I do affiliate marketing through a direct sales company, okay? And I use a sales funnel system to promote that direct sales company. The reason that I use a sales funnel is that 90% of the work is done for me. All I have to do is promote one link, and that link goes to my sales funnel, and the sales funnel does the selling for me. Okay, and it also helps me to build my email list too. So a done-for-you sales system that I use has multiple streams of income. You don't have to join every single stream of income when you get into it. You can join, I would suggest join the first two, because that's where you're going to make the most money. And then all you have to do is drive traffic to that sales funnel, which is you're just promoting that one link. And as you drive traffic to that sales funnel, the sales funnel does the selling for you of all of the income streams. But at the same time, you're building an email list. And with the sales funnel that I'm using, they already have like an almost 90-day email follow-up series that you can plug into your email autoresponder to send to your list. So once you start driving traffic and building your email list, those people on your list will receive an email every single day talking about this business opportunity. Okay? Because the truth is, it takes at least 6, 7, even more times for someone to decide whether they're going to join you in a business opportunity or not. I mean, people can be on your email list for months before they decide that they want to join you. So this is a strategy that you have to be patient with, okay? Because most people are not going to join you the first time they get exposure to your business opportunity. Now, you know, I developed a 90-day plan that people can use in order to be successful in the business opportunity that I'm in, okay? And we already talked about the first part. The next part is, you know, drive traffic to a sales funnel. You can use free and paid traffic strategies. The sales funnel I use, there's training on how to do paid traffic and drive that traffic to your offer, Okay, I suggest doing paid traffic once a week, and the free traffic strategies you can do every day. Now, you can learn about free traffic strategies when you join the first income stream inside of the sales funnel. And not only that, with that first income stream, you can earn 100% instant commissions paid directly to you. It doesn't go to the company code, it goes directly to you. 100% commissions, and those commissions go from $25 up to $2,000. Okay, and of course, you want to build your email list every day. To separate yourself from others, use a picture of yourself in your emails, talk about your progress, give them some business tips and strategies. And if you don't really know what to talk about in your emails, basically, if you're on other top marketer emails, just model what they're doing. See how they're structuring their emails using short sentences and short paragraphs. If they have a good business tip or strategy that they're giving you, put those business tips and strategies in your own words and email that to your list. Okay, you can get it from their email list, or you can watch a YouTube video, get a good idea about a business tip or strategy, or even some mindset, success mindset stuff that you can give to your list. Email your list about that stuff. Invite them to check out your Facebook page or friend you on Facebook. If you make YouTube videos, email a link to one of your YouTube videos to your list, and make sure that YouTube is related to, business and how to make money online. Of course, be consistent, be patient. Building a business takes time, and don't quit. You may see on like a Facebook page of a business opportunity you're in, people saying, oh, I just started, and yesterday and today I've already made $200. But you've been in opportunity for a couple of weeks and you haven't made your first dollar yet. You need to be patient, because sometimes, you make your first commission right away, but most of the time it could take a couple of weeks, a few weeks, or even a month before you make your first commission. You need to be patient, and the way to do that is to be consistent in all of these activities I just talked about. Driving traffic to your offer, emailing your list every day. If you're doing YouTube videos, putting up YouTube videos every day, talking about your business, talking about your results, talking about the progress you're making, giving business tips and strategies, talking about how to develop a success mindset, posting on Facebook every day, posting in Facebook groups about make money online. Do all those things every day, consistently, and eventually you'll start seeing commissions. But you cannot quit. This is a business. This isn't a hobby. So you have to take it seriously. And of course, once you start making commissions, reinvest a portion of your commissions back into your business in order to make it grow. Don't take, let's say you get $1,000 commission. Don't take that whole $1,000 and go spend it. Take at least, half of those commissions, like $500, reinvest it back into traffic to put in and grow your business, to build your email list and grow your business. And then you'll start making even more commissions, and just keep doing that strategy of reinvesting. After a while, once you start making consistent commissions, you can lower it from 50% commissions going back into your business to maybe 30%. But in the beginning, at least 50% to 70% of your commission should be going back into your business. Reinvest it so it can grow even more, and you'll start making more and more commissions. So that's the 90-day game plan that I've set for myself, and I tell others, you should try this too. So if you're interested in the business opportunity that I'm in, and also using this free done-for-you sales funnel system to promote the business opportunities inside of it, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to a page where you put in your email address, and then you'll be taken to a presentation by the creator of this sales system, who will show you exactly how it works, give you very detailed information, and then you'll be invited to create your own free done-for-you sales system. Okay, go ahead and click that link now, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.